One of the most captivating fields of study is the realm of astronomy, astrology, and predicting the future based on the movements of stars and planets. While this science can sometimes tread complex paths and veer into confusing detours, today, I'm here to offer you a special proposition for creating a highly engaging channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can guess, the topic of today's short video is astrology and stargazing. Most people are intrigued by glimpses into the future. It's a fascinating subject that piques the curiosity of many, even those who may not necessarily believe in it. So, let's explore a few interesting examples of these channels and analyze them together. Let's start with the smallest channel. As you can see, this channel has only 5 short videos and a few longer ones. Yet, with this modest number, it has managed to garner 2,000 subscribers, with one of its short videos reaching 315K views. Now, on to the next channel. This channel boasts around 8,700 subscribers, which is more than the previous one. Despite having a limited number of videos, just 26, including short and long ones, it has achieved impressive views. Its relatively small but decent income is particularly suitable for a channel at its early stage. Moving on to the third channel, which is relatively larger. With approximately 43,000 subscribers and a higher number of videos, this channel stands out. Notably, it utilizes longer videos, with durations of around 1 minute and 30 seconds, contributing to revenue generation. Here we can clearly see that it has managed to earn a substantial income. Let's take a look at the earning potential of this style of channels. As you can see, the second channel has minimal income, which seems reasonable for a newbie channel. However, the third channel has an excellent income, and with the simple method of making these videos, you can trust this niche. Now that we've confirmed the good revenue potential of this genre of channels, let's delve into creating such videos. If you've made it this far into the video, this topic must have intrigued you. I'd be delighted if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You'll be introduced to new and popular topics, and I'll teach you how to create these types of videos. Before I start, I must say that my videos are made with artificial intelligence, and there may be some mistakes in my speech. I hope you can understand my speech mistakes with your intelligence. Let's proceed with the tutorial. To create suitable and accurate text, we need ChatGPT to provide us with the weekly horoscopes for the month of January. Give me daily horoscope for 30 days of January. Write each day separately. At the beginning of astrology, tell the date of the day and month for each day. The text of astrology is attractive and mysterious. Now we have a suitable text for all the days of January. You have to do this for all the months of the year and all the days of the year, and in this way, you have 365 texts ready that you only need to voice. We go to 11 Lab. Starting from the first day, copy the text generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the provided box. It's best to begin with the day you plan to upload your video. You can choose different voices and adjust settings to your preference, whether pleasant or deep. I recommend preparing texts for all days of a month, which takes about an hour, but accelerates your video production process. Next, we head to Leonardo.ai, where magic happens to your visuals. On the homepage, you'll find numerous images, all copyright-free, allowing easy selection. Scroll through and choose captivating images, preferably focusing on astronomy, stars, and dreamy landscapes. Finally, we enter CapCut. Here, by inputting the generated text and downloaded images, and adding various transitions, we craft an engaging video. Selecting appropriate effects for your images ensures viewer engagement till the end. Additionally, overlaying text on images enhances visual appeal. You can use CapCut's automatic subtitles feature and customize font and display settings for added beauty. And just like that, your astrology video is ready.
January 30th. As the month comes to a close, take time to celebrate your achievements and acknowledge how far you've come. Reflect on the lessons learned and the growth experienced throughout the month. With a sense of gratitude and optimism, you can embrace the journey ahead with confidence and joy.
Creating 30 short videos only requires dedicating a day. It's as simple as that. I hope you'll make use of this new idea. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with me. I'd be delighted to interact with my viewers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Until next time, happy creating!